BedStory sent us this 12-inch queen hybrid mattress for our review. And if you have not gotten yourself one of these bed in a box, you are truly missing out. I absolutely love that they come like this. Makes it so much easier than actually just getting this big, open, massive mattress. And yeah, you get to put it on the floor and then you get to watch it pop and come alive. So I'm gonna put this down on the floor and we're gonna cut it open and see what it looks like. So before I actually open the mattress fully, I just wanted to show you the coils that you have here, because as I said, this is a hybrid mattress, and if you don't know what a hybrid mattress means, it means that you do have the coils, as you can see, but then you also on the top have the memory foam. So you are getting the best of the both worlds, because obviously we all love that nice soft memory foam, but oftentimes that is not enough support for our back, and then that's where these coils will come in, because you are getting that extra lumbar support from that. And with the coils, because they are all in individual pockets, you are actually going to have less motion on, like, between you and your partner. So when you're laying down and they get up in the middle of the night or something, you're not going to be moving and rolling all over the place. So I just thought, as I started to open it, I was like, whoa, you can really see those coils, and I thought it looked really cool. So I just wanted to show you that. So now let's actually open it up. Okay, so we've just slit open here, and check this out. Oh man, this is my favorite part. Looks like it's just growing in front of our eyes. It's so cool. So they do suggest when you do get one of these mattresses that you're gonna wanna open it up and lay it out flat for, you know, anywhere between 24 to 72 hours, because you need time for your mattress to fully form. Or else, you know, if you sleep on it too soon, you're obviously not gonna have it fully fluffed out, and you're not gonna get the maximum feel that this mattress is supposed to give you. So yeah, let's check it out here. And so I already showed you the coils on the bottom, and then now this is your memory foam here up on the top. So as you can see, with me pushing down here, I mean, this is moving, but over here in the corner, you're not getting any movement there. So while I'm sleeping on the one side, if I'm tossing and turning, I am a terrible sleeper. My husband's not gonna be feeling that all night, which is fantastic. And yeah, so this is the queen bed. As I said, 12 inches. This is really, really nice, and definitely 12 inches is, I think, the minimum you wanna get when you have the hybrid, because, you know, having the best of the both worlds, if you have anything smaller, I think you kind of start to feel the coils. So 12 inches and up definitely is where you wanna be. But yeah, super comfortable. It's got lots of spring to it. I can't wait for my great night's sleep.